Hello and welcome to Asnamoo Immigration Canada, the YouTube channel where you can find useful information and tips about immigration to Canada. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Canadian visitor visa without a consultant and also mention eligibility, non-eligibility, requirements, fees, documents, and everything else you need for a visit visa. A visitor visa, also known as a temporary resident visa, is an official document that you need to enter Canada as a visitor. You may need a visitor visa if you are from a visa-required country, or if you are traveling through Canada on your way to another country. You can check if you need a visitor visa on the Government of Canada website. To apply for a visitor visa, you need to follow these steps. 1. Fill out the online application form on the Government of Canada website. You will need to provide information about your personal details, travel history, purpose of visit, financial situation, and contact information in Canada. You will also need to answer some questions about your health, security, and background. 2. Pay the application fee online. The fee is $100 per person. You may also need to pay a biometric fee of $85 if you are from a country that requires biometrics. Biometrics are your fingerprints and photo that you need to provide at a designated service point after you submit your application. 3. Submit your application online and wait for an email confirmation. You will receive an email with instructions on how to proceed with your application. You may be asked to provide additional documents, such as a letter of invitation from someone in Canada, proof of funds, travel itinerary, or medical exam results. You may also be asked to attend an interview at a visa office or provide your biometrics at a service point. 4. Check the status of your application online. You can use the online tool on the Government of Canada website to track the progress of your application. The processing time for visitor visas varies depending on the country you are applying from and the complexity of your case. It can take from a few days to several weeks or months. 5. Receive your visitor visa by mail or email. If your application is approved, you will receive your visitor visa either by mail or by email as an electronic travel authorization, ETA. An ETA is a digital document that is linked to your passport and allows you to board your flight to Canada. You need to print out your ETA and bring it with you when you travel. To be eligible for a visitor visa, you need to meet these requirements. You have a valid passport or travel document. You have enough money to support yourself and your family during your stay in Canada. You have no criminal or immigration-related convictions. You have no health problems that could endanger public safety or healthcare costs. You have ties to your home country, such as a job, property, family, or social connections. You plan to leave Canada at the end of your authorized stay. You may not be eligible for a visitor visa if you have overstayed or violated the conditions of a previous visit to Canada, have been refused a visa or entry to Canada in the past, have been involved in human rights violations, terrorism, espionage, or organized crime, have a family member who is inadmissible to Canada, pose a security, health, or financial risk to Canada. To apply for a visitor visa, you need these documents: a valid passport or travel document, a completed application form, a receipt of payment for the application fee and biometric fee, if applicable, 2 passport-sized photos, a letter of invitation from someone in Canada, if applicable, proof of funds, such as bank statements, payslips, or tax returns, proof of purpose of visit, such as travel itinerary, hotel reservations, or tickets for events, proof of ties to your home country, such as employment letter, property deeds, or family certificates, medical exam results, if applicable, any other documents requested by the visa office. These are the main steps and requirements for applying for a Canadian visitor visa without a consultant. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Asnamoo Immigration Canada for more videos like this one.